Hey guys, Steve Currington, mortgage banker, lending in all 50 states. And today we're going to talk about what is a first-time buyer. What is a first-time buyer? Well, I've bought before. I'm not a first-time buyer. Not necessarily the case. So they define being a first-time home buyer as someone who hasn't bought or owned a property in the last 3 years. So let's say you bought a house 15 years ago, you sold it, you haven't owned a home for the last 5 years, you're technically considered a first-time buyer. Obviously, you had never bought a house, you're considered a first-time buyer. But what does that really mean? Because a lot of people call and ask me like, hey, I want to get approved for one of those first-time home buyer programs. Well, here's what it means. There's really not anything crazy special for first-time home buyers, because even some of the down payment assistance programs don't necessarily require you to be a first-time home buyer. And a lot of people think that you can't do an FHA loan if you're a first-time home buyer, and a lot of people think that you can only do one FHA loan in your life, and that's not true. So FHA does not require you to be a first-time home buyer, and it doesn't require that you can't have ever done an FHA loan before. And that's a great first-time home buyer program because it only requires 3.5% down. So if you're out there and you want to find out if you can get approved, whether you be a first-time home buyer or not, reach out to me on my cell, 918-281-5475, or go to stevecurrington.com. See ya.